Hey guys, I'm at Liberty Park in Batesville today. I'm gonna try to play quick 9 holes. It's been raining pretty much nonstop for the past 36 hours. It finally stopped, so I'm gonna try to get 9 holes in. There's definitely some flooding on this course, but it's still playable, so I'm gonna bring you along and see what we can do. All right, hole one is 216 feet, straight out there. Got some low ceiling there to deal with. A couple branches in the way, some trees on the left side. Usually throw a backhand here at the putter. Might go mid today. A little skip, as you can see, a little wet. See what we can do. 2 off the first reactor. The reactor got here. Pretty similar distance. I think I'm gonna take the hex. You can see quite a bit of water. So we're gonna take the disc. Make a putt. Hole 2, 219 feet. Also pretty much dead straight. The little tree in the middle kind of gets in the way on this one. A little bit of wind, so we go with the own. All right, hole 3 is 193 feet. Again, just kind of dead straight with some trees to the right to stay away from. The wind on this hole is always a little bit variable. Looks like we have a tailwind today. Sea line notion. It's got the lucky tree kick in. All right, hole 4, 185 feet. This one is tough for lefties. Or if you want to throw a forehand if you're a righty. The trees here on the left. Block your teeth on the left. You also have to worry about this fence if you really pull something. There's a tree right out in the fairway off to the right. That's always in a perfect spot. We're going to throw the hyzer right-handed. So it's a little windy right to left right now. So Cortic Assassin P2X. All right, hole 5, just under 200 feet. Either got the right gap in the backhand, got to take the left. You can see there's a tree line right in line with the basket. Either go backhand or you can go forehand through the left gap. I'm going to try forehand with the stasis. Hole 6, it's 234 feet. Once again, relatively straight. Got some trees in the fairway. Either throw, it's good forehand flex gap in there. It's good ace run, but a little harder to get birdies out of. And then you have kind of basically a right hyzer gap, so I'm gonna try. You gotta get over trees at the end, otherwise you end up not really a good putt from there. But we're gonna try it to NB3 you want. Almost had to get the big tree. All right, guys, this is always a big topic in disc golf forums and elsewhere. Shoes, especially waterproof shoes. Personally, I've had a couple pair of Merrell Novas that are in Gore-Tex I've really liked, but they've changed them over the past couple of years, and I got some Nike Pegasus Trail Gore-Tex that I currently am wearing that I like quite a bit. So we'll see every year when somebody comes out with a new shoe, it's a little bit different. So try for yourself. I have pretty big feet, but not extremely wide, so I tend to like Nikes. And the cushioning on these is really good, especially compared to the last set in Merrell's. But they're not as durable maybe as some of the heavier options. So that's my take. We've got to look at it here. A little tight. See if we can make it. But come to find out, watching this channel enough, that putting is definitely my weakness, like a lot of people. But see if we can convert a birdie here. This is a part of the course those waterproof shoes come in handy. All right, full 7. It's only 131 feet. This is a definite ace run. This is probably one of the most aced holes in all around this area. So let's see if we can do it. Good shot for a birdie, not for an ace. Hole 8's 235 feet. Got a lot of trees off to the right. So either you got to play a backhand, kind of thread it between the trees if you're right-handed, or you can throw a forehand out to the left. I usually throw a forehand something overstable, going fireball. This isn't too bad. And it's starting to rain again. All right, hole 9. It's only 148 feet. Again, pretty short. Kind of just get through these trees. There's a low ceiling there, a little bit hard to run. I usually throw either really overstable forehand just to get it parked. Kind of hard to run the ace that way. Otherwise, you got to throw a little bit of a flex backhand under the tree limb to get the ace. I'm gonna throw a tilt, I think, right now. Nice. Tap that in, wrap this up, make us 5 under for the round. Not too bad considering conditions. Just let me know in the comments if you guys like playing when it's raining or when it's wet, the weather is bad, or you guys prefer it, the weather is really nice. Leave a comment down below, let me know. Thanks for checking in with us. Let's tap this out. There we are. All right, catch you next time.